Hey everybody, it's Miss Cat here at the Wetaskiwin Public Library with a crafted at home video for you. Today we will be making a pet bed to go with our pet theme for the week out of stuff that you can find at home. So for this craft you will need a pair of sharp scissors that are good for cutting fabric, some pillow fluff or even an old pillow that you don't like anymore, and some scrap material. For mine, I'm going to be using 2 old t-shirts. You can do this with just 1 t-shirt. I just want my pet bed to be 2 different colors. Alright, the first step for this craft is you're going to want to cut a rectangle. So I'm going to use this white shirt and I'm going to cut along the sides here and over here to create a rectangle. Alright, now that my white rectangle is complete, I'm just going to lay it on top of the black shirt and I'm going to cut a black rectangle. Now we are going to cut squares in each of the corners of the rectangle. Alright, now that I have 4 squares cut out of each corner, the next step is the hardest step. We're going to start to cut little slits in all of the sides of the fabric, just like this. Now repeat that step on all 4 sides. Alright, now that you have all of the little edges cut into strips, the next step is to start tying them together. So I'm going to take 1 white and 1 black and tie it into a double knot like this. And then move on to the next strip. And then keep repeating that, but leave one side untied. Alright, now that you've got 3 sides tied of your dog bed or cat bed or lizard bed, whatever, it's time to start stuffing it. So I'm just going to take it, open it up a little bit, and start putting some pillow fluff in. Now that you have filled up your bed, it's time to tie up the last side here, and then your bed is complete. Alright, now that our bed is complete, let's test it out and see if the animals like it. Thanks for watching.